Hey guys, today me try understand how to save first $100,000 and me already feel brain melt. This morning, cavemen stare at shiny scroll. Scroll say, first 100K hardest. After that, money fly like eagle. Me say ha, me strong, me hunt, me save coin. 1 moon later, me still broke. Me save, yes, but money disappear like sneaky squirrel. Every time me think me getting closer, another fire bill come. Another tooth crack. Another wife ask for new bone necklace. Saving 100K, it not like stacking rocks. It like chasing giant mammoth across frozen wasteland, with no shoes, no spear, and tribe yelling, "Why you still broke?" If you learn this, you end up tired, broke, and crying into moldy bearskin while neighbor build gold cave on your hill. So before you grab spear and charge at money mammoth, smash like button and hit magic scribe stick, but only if what me say make you smile or think. Tell Caveman in comments how close your cave to 100K, how many moons you try. Now grab your stone seat, tie down your man bun, and let's walk into firelight of today's big hunt. Cavemen always think 100K just number. Easy, right? But then cavemen start saving and saving and saving more, and number no move. Saving feel like climbing mountain made of jelly, slippery, invisible, mean. Cavemen look up and no sea-top, just cloud. Wife ask, how many coin you save now? Me say 17. She sigh, 17 what? Me say 17 actual coin, like metal. She leave. Again. Truth is, 100K not just number. It's psychological beast. It test of patience, not just math. Me thought me need big brain, but no. Me need big soul. It like walking through forest, carrying every coin on back and forest full of distraction. One tree whisper, buy new cart. One bush shout, go vacation in loud city. Even fire priests say, treat self, life short. But 100K, it tall, it strong, and it no like quitters. Cavemen meet many tribe members who start the climb. Save little here, save little there. But by third moon they stop. They say this take too long, me buy drum set instead. They never return. Why? Because they expect mountain to lift them. But mountain no lift. You climb. And when cavemen finally understand this, journey begin to change. Me no longer chase mountain, me build legs to climb it. Caveman once believe, me just spend less, save coin, boom, 100 appear. Ha, no. Saving from scratch feel like trying to fill Mammoth Lake with tiny coffee mug. At first, caveman do everything right. Me cancel scroll subscription. Me eat less fire meat. Me wear same bear pants for 3 seasons. Me even say no to big sky festival. Still, at end of moon, me look in coin pouch, only tiny jingle. Then me open investing rock app, it say you gain $2. 2? Me scream at rock. Cavemen realize something important. In beginning, money grow like baby turtle. So slow you think it die. But it not dead, it just early. Me save $300 each moon. Even with good 10% magic return, me do math. It take over 14 years to hit 100K. Me cry in corner, but wise elders say, young fool, in beginning returns sleep. You not feeding returns, you feeding future, that deep. In year 1, portfolio just pile of your own sweat, no magic, no compounding. Just raw effort that when most people quit, they say this too slow, me rather buy bone chair with back massager. But caveman stay because slow no mean broken, it mean foundation, and every drip into Mammoth Lake it not wasted. One day, caveman angry. Me look at coin pouch, still tiny. Me look at app, still sleepy. So me snap. Me say, why me suffer? Why no feast? Why no joy? That night, caveman commit great sin. Me buy shiny bone flute. Me upgrade fire pit. Me spend $600 on limited edition monkey painting that wears sunglasses. Felt good. For 1 moon. Then fire break out, cart tire explode, wife need herbs. And guess what? Coin pouch empty. Again, caveman beg magic rock for refund. Rock say lol. Wife pack her things. She say, you no serious man, you party caveman. Me go live with hunter who have rainy day pouch. Caveman sit alone, in cave, with monkey NFT and sad bone flute. Me realize this why people never reach $100K. Not because they dumb, not because they lazy, but because they give up too soon. They plant seed, then dig it up in 2 days yelling, where fruit? They want fast magic, but early wealth building, no drum solo, just quiet repetition, tiny progress, like growing tree from pebble. That's when cavemen understand. Sacrifice with no reward feels stupid until it isn't. Quitting feel good today, but it's steal tomorrow, and every time you restart, goal move farther. So cavemen make promise under full moon, me no chase monkey joy again, me build slow, me build true. Cavemen once try save while still owe coin to shiny rock priest. Me put money in sacred investment scroll while also paying 22% interest on glowing bone cart. Elder see this. He laugh so hard he cough up beetle. He say, you know fill bucket while hole at bottom. Caveman confused. But me saving, Elder say, no, you just losing slower. That hit hard. So Elder teach first real trick to hunt 100k beast. Kill bad debt first, not later. Not when tribe dance calm again, now. Caveman pull out big rock and list every debt. Fire card 22%, magic bone loan 18%, used cart debt with broken wheel 16%. Goat lease from shady tribe, don't ask, Elder say, attack highest first, it's stealing your future. So cavemen go berserk, cancel feast, sell extra pelts, deliver firewood at night, throw every spare coin at worst debt, slowly hole shrink, soon coins stop running away. They stay, they stack, elder clap, wife come back, briefly. Cavemen also learn, not all debt evil, low interest hut loan, maybe okay. Magic school debt with tiny interest, manageable, but bad consumer debt, credit traps, sky interest loans, that financial quicksand. The longer you stay, the deeper you sink. So cavemen tell younglings before you build, patch your pouch, before you save, kill your chain, then you free to grow. After debt beasts die, cavemen feel light, but then me stare at coin pile, doing nothing. Coins just sit there, no move, no hunt, no multiply. Cavemen yell, lazy coin, go do job! Then tribe shaman appear, she say, you want coin to grow? Then make it work. Cavemen blink. How? Coin have no arms. She laugh. Say that's what investing is. You send money out like tiny employee. It no sleep, it no eat. If trained well, it bring friends. That sound powerful. She teach caveman second great truth. Saving is safe, but slow. You save $500 per moon in pig hide pouch? It takes 16 years to hit 100K. But invest that same $500 with 10% magic market return? Boom, you maybe hit 100K in 10 years, or less. Caveman shocked. You mean coin go to work while me nap? She nod. If you trust time more than timing. Caveman no need rich uncle, no need golden spear, just start, even with $50. Shaman teach caveman, every dollar you invest is tiny worker. They march into stock forest, into index cave, into ETF jungle. And they build fire while you sleep. So caveman start slow. Me use app, me buy piece of big company, me watch coin grow tiny beard at first, not much. But moon by moon, little tribe form. Now me no just worker, me boss. Cavemen realize wealth not built by muscle, it built by small soldiers called compound interest. Cavemen once run into jungle yelling, me want money, but no know how much, no know when, no map, no mammoth, just vibes. 3 moons later, me lost. Tired, broke, covered in squirrel bites. That's when tribe elders say, you know hunt what you know name. You want 100K? Then say it, see it, chase it. So caveman carve goal into stone, me save $100,000 in 5 years. Elders say, good, now we do caveman math. That mean $100,000 were 60 moons equals $1,666 per moon. Assume 10% return, maybe need less, maybe $300. Too hard? Make it 7 years, or 10. Adjust time, not dream. Cavemen shocked. When me write goal down, it stopped being fantasy, it become battle plan. Now, every sacrifice have name. Skip feast, that's 300 future coin. No buy new fur boots, that's 1 month closer to freedom. Still drive fire cart from 200 moons ago? That's $400 not bleeding into tire pit. When you know where you go, every pain feel random. But when you have goal, pain feel like progress. Cavemen call this magic, purpose lens. It turned why me suffer into me win slowly, and that shift, that the difference between burnout and breakthrough. So before you save, before you invest, before you brag, carve your goal, because without aim, even strong spear miss. Caveman once think me problem was income. Me say me need more coconuts. But then wise auntie visit cave, she say, show me your bucket. Me confused. Bucket? She point to coin pouch. Then she say, no matter how fast you fill, if hole in bottom, coin gone. Boom, caveman head explode. Auntie teach caveman about money leaks. Silent, sneaky, dangerous. First leak? Hut too expensive. Caveman rent shiny new cave on volcano side. Look nice, smell like fire. But each moon half coin go to hot rock landlord. Why? Me barely even home. Second leak? Cart too flashy. Me ride bone cart with glowing wheels and loud scream horn. But cost? 400 coins each moon. Gas, repair, goat insurance, drain like broken skull bowl. Auntie say, you no poor, you just leaking. So caveman move to smaller hut, sell cart, walk more, ride tribe goat when needed. Not sexy, but effective. Suddenly coin stay in pouch longer, coin grow. Also, caveman stop wasting money on tiny leaks. Magic scroll subscription me never read. Daily dragon milk coffee. Useless bone ring that no track steps. Caveman not joyless, me still dance, me still snack, but now me spend with intention, not impulse. Because cavemen learn, every coin you save is future time you buy back. Skip one feast today, more freedom later. Skip noisy, shiny lifestyle, quiet, rich future. Plug leaks, tribe. Because no matter how strong your stream, if bucket cracked, you never fill it. After patching leaks, caveman feel proud. Coin finally stack, but still too slow. Caveman wants snowball to grow faster. Want to stop trading time for teeth cleaning jobs in village. So cavemen go back to fire circle. Elder say, you want big wealth, one fire not enough, you must build second fire. Me confused, but me already tired. He nod. Yes, that's why second fire no for feast money. It for freedom fuel. Caveman understand. First fire equals job, second fire equals power. So cavemen start small. Me carve bone jewelry, sell at market, then me edit village scrolls at night. Teach younglings how to avoid monkey NFT. No big launch, no big tribe, just skills consistency. Moon by moon, second fire grow. First, me earn extra 100 coin, then 300, then 600. Caveman no buy new cart, caveman no upgrade loincloth. Caveman throw all second fire coin into wealth pile. Now snowball roll faster, momentum build, and caveman learn powerful truth. You can only cut so much, but earn infinite sky. And in early game, contribution, return. $1,000 extra saved today do more than 5 years of market guessing. Second fire also change caveman spirit. Me no just saver now, me builder. Me no wait for raise, me create one. And when money finally start working, me step back from fire, let coins cook for me. So tribe, hear this. You no have to hustle forever. You just have to hustle long enough for wealth engine to turn on. Then, the fire run itself. One quiet morning, cavemen wake up, rub eyes, look at glowing rock app. Me see number 100,123.76 caveman gasp. Drop bone mug, cry one tear. Not sad tear, victory tear. No fireworks, no sky beast trumpet, just calm. That's how it happens. Quiet, strong, permanent. At 100K, money stop being lazy. It wake up. 10% return, that $10,000 a year. Me no chop more trees, me no skip dinner. Me just let coin work. And that $10,000, it grow too. Reinvest, multiply, bring friends. Soon, money stop needing caveman every day. Now caveman just steer. But best part, caveman different now. Not just richer, wiser. Caveman no longer think like spender. Caveman think like architect. Me see $100 not as shoes, but as seed. Me ask better questions. Does this move me forward? Is this cost worth delay and freedom? Caveman, no chase shiny. Caveman build structure. Because wealthy tribe not try harder, they design smarter. And when system in place, caveman no fear going back. Because now, me know what kind of man me became to get here. And me never let that man die. So if this video helped light your fire, smash like button with full force club swing, and subscribe to Tribe for more wise and funny cave money stories. Tell Caveman in comments, what's your biggest fight on path to 100K? What trap almost ate your dream? Let us make fire circle of real strategy, not just hype drum. And remember, every coin you save today is silent warrior that never sleep, never rest, never quit. Ooga Booga.